Namaskar. This is Subhan Tiwari, and in today's video I'm going to make why GNIHM is one of the best hotel management college, because it is approved by AICTE, WBUT and NCHM City, top hotel management college with national and international training guarantee. GNHM has also been awarded as the best hotel management college in West Bengal. Now let's talk about the courses. There are different types of courses that are in GNHM, like BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, Bachelor degree in Hospitality Management, BA International in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, BA International in Culinary Arts, Bachelor degree in Hospitality and Catering Technology, MBA in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, MSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, Diploma in Hotel Operations. Now let's talk about how you will get admissions and what are the criterias. See, if you are 10 pass and you want to do hotel management, it's better you choose for the and you go for the diploma courses like Diploma in Hotel Operations. It's a 12-month course and 6 months training. And if you want to do degree course, then you must do after 10 plus 2. If you have completed 10 plus 2, then you can go for the BSc, BHSM, BHMCT. These are the courses you can apply after 10 plus 2. And if you want to go for the master degree like MSc and MBA, then you need to have plus 2 and graduation certificates. If I will talk about the events which GNHM organized every year, that is International Chef Competition, International Mocktail Making Competition, International Cake Icing Competition, International Cake Baking Competitions, International Fruit Carving and Vegetable Carving Competitions. Lots of participants from different countries, they come and participate in these all events. And now let's talk about the judges of these events. Master Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, Master Chef Kunal Kapoor, Michelin Star Chef Vikas Khanna, Dr. Chef Damodaram. These are all celebrity chefs and they are also the mentors of GNHM. They take part in these events as a judge, and for the student, those who want to take admission in GNHM, this is a best and golden opportunity. Please come and join Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management and give your career a good start. Master Chef Kunal Kapoor is the brand ambassador of GNHM. If I will talk about the placements of GNHM, each and every student will get placed in a reputed properties. Some will get placed in India, some will get placed in abroad. Let's talk about this year placement record. This year placement record is 100% because most of the companies has came up with management training program and HOT program. MT is for the management training. After 2 years you will become the assistant manager, and HOT program is for the supervisory level. The companies like Oberoi, Taj, ITC, IHG, Azaya, the Fun Group of Hotels, Lemon Tree, KFC, Domino's, Third Way Coffee Roaster, and many more companies has came up for the placement record. And each and every student has got placed successfully. So don't waste your time. Come and join Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. If I will talk about the campus, GNHM has one of the best and biggest infrastructure. GNHM is situated in the lush green surrounding of Sodhpur and is one of the best in the Eastern India. If I will talk about the sports activities which GNHM organize every year, that is cricket tournament, inter-college, basketball tournament, volleyball tournament, badminton tournament, and many more sports activities. If you want to join Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, please go for the JET entrance test. You can sit from your home and you can apply. Just visit GNHM website and apply for the JET entrance test. See, and one of the last point is, if I will talk about the placement of any student, I am one of the example. I have been placed in more than 3 companies from GNHM. So it's a better and good opportunity to join Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. That's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe.